Ever wanted to create powerful, animated Bible stories like the one you're seeing on screen right now? Guess what? I made this entire video using only free AI tools, from start to finish. And let me tell you, videos like these are absolutely crushing it on YouTube. If you're looking for a faceless YouTube channel idea, this could be your golden ticket. With some dedication, you can build an incredibly successful channel with Bible animated stories. So, stick with me, and I'll walk you through my exact process, step by step. First, we need inspiration. Just head over to YouTube and search for Bible stories. Look at this one, David and Goliath, published 7 weeks ago, and it already has over 5 million views. That's insane. This tells us there's a huge audience for this content. Let's use this as our guide. We'll start by creating the script. We're going to use ChatGPT for this. I'll ask it to write a Bible story on the topic David and Goliath. Now, the original video is 23 minutes long, which would need a script of about 4,000 to 5,000 words. But for this tutorial, let's ask for a 500-word script to keep things simple. And just like that, ChatGPT delivers a complete story for us. Next, we need to know who our characters are. I'll simply ask ChatGPT to describe all the characters in the story. This gives us David, Goliath, and King Saul, along with their key attributes. This is super important for keeping our visuals consistent later on. To organize our workflow, let's get ChatGPT to divide the story into scenes. I'll ask for 10 scenes, and boom, it breaks down the entire narrative for us. This makes the whole process much more manageable. Now for the visuals, we need image prompts for each scene. But here's a pro tip. First, ask ChatGPT how many image prompts you'll need per scene. Why? Because if you don't, you might get just one prompt per scene and run out of images when you're editing. As you can see, it suggests 3 to 4 images per scene. Perfect. Now I'll ask for the actual prompts. I'll tell it, give me 3D Pixar style image prompts for all 10 scenes. Make sure to include the character descriptions for consistency, and set the aspect ratio to 16:9. I'll leave all the prompts I use in the description, so you can grab them later. It generated the prompts, but it forgot the character descriptions. No problem, I'll just ask it to add them in. And there we go, updated and ready to use. To create our images, we'll use a fantastic free tool called Whisk AI. Just search for Whisk AI and open it up. We'll copy our first prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Whisk AI. Select the 16:9 landscape aspect ratio, and hit generate. Whisk AI gives you 2 options for each prompt, which is great for finding the perfect image. I love this one, so I'll just click download. I'll repeat this for the second prompt. Delete the old one, paste the new one, and generate. Awesome, I'll download this one too. But generating images one by one can be slow, right? Here's a shortcut. I use an extension called AutoWhisk that lets you generate images in bulk. First, I'll ask ChatGPT to give me all the image prompts without the scene titles, just a clean list. Now, I'll copy all 30 prompts at once. Back in Whisk AI, I'll open the AutoWhisk extension, paste all the prompts into the box, click Start, and let it run. The best part is, it automatically saves every image to a neatly organized folder on your computer. It's a total game changer. With our images ready, it's time for the voiceover. We're heading back to Chat to get a voiceover script from our story. Then, we'll use Google's AI Studio, another amazing free tool, to bring it to life. In AI Studio, you can choose a single speaker, select a voice you like, and paste in your script. My first attempt was a bit too fast, so I went back to ChatGPT and asked it to rewrite the script for a slower pace. I regenerated the audio in AI Studio with a different voice, and it sounds perfect. Just click the 3 dots and download it. A quick note, the download button works great on Android and desktops, but can be tricky to find on an iPhone. Now let's animate our images. For this, we'll use Pika Labs. Pika gives you a generous number of free credits daily, which is more than enough to get started. In Pika, you click the Attach button, upload one of the images we created, then go back to ChatGPT. I'll ask it to create video prompts for each scene, including dialogue where needed. I'll copy the first video prompt, paste it into Pika, and hit generate. Wow, look at that! The image is now a living, breathing video clip. I'll download it and repeat the process for a few more key images. You don't have to animate every single image, just the ones you want to have motion. The final step is putting it all together. You can use any video editor you like, such as CapCut or Filmora. Today, I'm using Wondershare Filmora. First, I'll import all the still images from my Whisk folder, the animated clips from Pika, and the voiceover file. Then, I'll start arranging them on the timeline. I'll place the still images first. A great feature in Filmora is the pan and zoom effect. I can select all the images at once, apply a subtle zoom effect, and instantly make them more dynamic. Then, I'll insert the animated video clips at the appropriate moments in the story. Finally, I'll add the voiceover track. I'll listen through and adjust the timing of the images and clips to make sure they match the narration perfectly. Once everything looks and sounds great, it's time to export. I'll choose the highest resolution, give the file a name, and hit export. And just like that, you have a professional-looking Bible animated story, ready to be uploaded to YouTube to inspire viewers and grow your channel. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And if you have any requests for future videos, I'm all ears. I've also linked to my videos on creating bulk images and a whole playlist of AI tutorials that you're going to love. Be sure to check them out. Thanks for watching, and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.